on what you want to teach. Now, I told people in the summer that this seems like an easy question. And actually, I thought it was an easy question, but I've been out now for 10 years working with teachers in different schools, and I now know that this is one of the harder questions because the book has answered that question for us for so many years that we've not really instinctively stepped back and ever said, what do we want to teach? Sure, we've said, what chapters do we want to teach? What chapters don't we want to teach? But that's an entirely different question than blank slate, what do we want to do? And so it is a hard question to ask yourself. It is the question you're supposed to ask yourself before you adopt a book so that the textbook is a tool and not the curriculum. And then the other question, we're not going to deal with today at all because I believe it's answered. But if you have questions about the how well, the proficiency piece, we can bring it up. But I'll show you a couple slides, and if you feel that that's a moot point, we know where we want Parkway students to be at the end of year 5. If I say that, could every one of you put where we want our level 5 students to be on that proficiency scale? Turn to your partner and tell me. You want them to be not as high, intermediate low, intermediate mid, intermediate high, advanced low? Okay, let's see a show of hands. How many of you picked the intermediate range? Did anybody pick the advanced range? Nice, they can teach at the end of their senior year. Advanced low to teach. Okay, so let's take advanced low off the table, okay? Now there is a difference between performance and proficiency. And I did say proficiency, so advanced low is what many states, and I think Missouri now, also on the OPI WPT, requires advanced low on the writing and oral assessment in order to be certified to teach. That is a proficiency marker. The AP exam, did anybody go as low as intermediate low? Intermediate mid? Intermediate high? Okay, so now we're going to talk performance. It's two different things. Performance is what you've taught them, what you've prepared them for, and intermediate mid will get you a 3 or 4 on the AP, and an intermediate high will get you a 5. So if we accept that research, which of course we will, then we know where we're going, and we know what we need to do to get them there. So it's like our backward design piece is in place for us by what research is telling us and by what our AP, which is our benchmark exam in our profession, expects of students. So to get them there, what we're doing is we're saying we are going to look at and use the AP themes, because AP is saying you come